Go to What is my IP address to check your IP address. In the Brave browser, click on Settings. Click on System. Check the Open Your Computer Proxy Settings box. Check the Use a Proxy Server box. Removes the default address and port. Go to Proxy Link Pro. Click on Proxy Generator. Choose a location. In Protocol, choose HTTP. Click on Generate copies the information generated to authenticate the proxy. Click on Save, returns to What is my IP address? Copy-paste the logins generated by Proxy Link Pro. Your proxy is configured.